Hello friends, today we are going to see about Standard 6 Social Science History Unit 2 The Post-Mauryan India exercises. Now let's get inside the video. The first Roman letter is choose the correct answer. The first question is the last Mauryan emperor was killed by dash. Pushyamitra, Agnimitra, Vasudeva, Narayana. The correct answer is option A, Pushyamitra. The second question is dash was the founder of Sadavahana dynasty. Simuga, Sadagarani, Kanha, Sivaswadi. The correct answer is option A, Simuga. The third question is dash was the greatest of all the Kushana emperors. Kanishka, Kadphises I, Kadphises II, Panchayam. The correct answer is option A, Kanishka. The fourth question is the Gandhara school of Sanskrit flourished in the dash during 2nd century BC. Deccan, Northwest India, Punjab, Gangetic Valley. The correct answer is option A, Deccan. The fifth question is Sagas ruled over Gandhara region dash as their capital. Sirkap, Taxila, Madura, Purishpura. The correct answer is option A, Sirkap. The second Roman letter is match the statement with the reason and tick the appropriate answer. The first question is assertion. Colonies of Indo-Greeks and Indo-Parthians were established along the northwestern part of India. Reason. The Bactrian and Parthian settlers gradually intermarried and intermixed with the indigenous population. Here we have four options. The correct answer is option A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. The second question is Statement 1. Indo-Greek rulers introduced die system and produced coins with inscription and symbols engraving figures on them. Statement 2. Indo-Greek rule was ended by the Kushanas. Here we have four options. The correct answer is option B. Statement 2 is wrong, but statement 1 is correct. The third question is circle the odd one out. Pushyamitra, Vasudeva, Simuga, Kanishka. The correct answer is Kanishka. Reason. The first one is all of the three other generals assassinated their kings. The second one, Kanishka followed Buddhism, whereas other three rulers were not followers of Buddhism. The fourth question is answer the following in a word. The first question is who was the last Sunga ruler? The answer is Devabhutti. The second question is who was the most important and famous king of sagas? The answer is Rudradaman. The third question is who established Kanva dynasty in Magadha? The answer is Vasudeva. The fourth question is who converted Gondophares into Christianity? The answer is Saint Thomas. The third Roman letter is fill in the blanks. The first question is dash was the founder of Indo-Parthian kingdom. The answer is Gondophares. The second one is in the south, Sadavahanas became independent after dash death. The answer is Ashokas. The third question is Hala is famous as the author of dash. The answer is Satasai. The fourth question is dash was the last ruler of Kanva dynasty. The answer is Susarman. The fifth question is Kushana's later capital was dash. The answer is Peshawar or Purishpura. The fourth Roman letter is state whether true or false. The first question is Magadha continued to be a great center of Buddhist culture even after the fall of the Mauryan Empire. The correct answer is true. The second question is we get much information about Karavela from Gadigumba inscription. The answer is true. The third question is Simuga waged a successful war against Magadha. The answer is false. The fourth question is Buddha Charita was written by Asvaghosha. The correct answer is true. The fifth Roman letter is match the following: Patanjali, second grammarian; Agnimitra, Malaviga Agnimitra; King Karavela, Kalinga; Demetrius, Indo-Greek; Gondophares, Indo-Parthian. Here we don't have the correct option, so the correct answer is 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. The sixth Roman letter is find out the wrong statement from the following. The first one, the Kushanas formed a section of the Yuezhi tribes who inhabited northwestern China. The second one, Kanishka made Jainism the state religion and built many monasteries. The third one, the great stupa of Sanji and the railings which enclose it belongs to the Sunga period. The fourth one, Panchayang was the Chinese general defeated by Kanishka. The correct answer is second one, Kanishka made Jainism the state religion and built many monasteries.